Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with a super quick video showing you how to soften the edges of your drawing in Photoshop. Take a look here guys. You'll notice I just copied this image here and put this really basic red background to demonstrate the effect I'm going to create. You might see on the edge of this image the jagged edges are very noticeable. So in today's video we're going to drastically improve this. Alright guys, let's dive right in. We'll go to the image layer, see? I'll explain it in a super simple way, okay? Forgive me, those of you who know Photoshop, but this video is meant to show someone who knows nothing about it. So I'm going to keep it very beginner friendly. Here I have two layers. I'm going to select the photo layer. I'll press and hold the Ctrl key on my keyboard. You'll see my cursor change. So I'm clicking the Ctrl button and not releasing it. See that? When it looks like this, you click the left mouse button. There you have it guys. Take a look at how it turned out. I selected my image. Now let's move down here. We're going to apply the mask by adding a layer mask. When you add the layer mask, it looks like there's a little flag icon here. We're going to click, and now there are two. I can even select one or the other. But I'm going to stick with this one, the last one that was created. I'll go to Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur. In the English version of Photoshop, it's under Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur. My version is in Portuguese, so it says Desfoque Gaussiano. I'm going to set the radius to 4. You can notice that my image has a slight blur to it now. And there you have it guys. I'm going to click OK. Now we'll move on to the second step, which is to go to Image Adjustments Levels. In the Levels window, you'll notice that there are two levels, the input level and the output level. We won't touch the output level. For the input level, there are three little arrows, see? One black, one gray, and one white. I'm not going to adjust this gray arrow in the middle. On the left side, where the black arrow is, I'll keep the value at 1. I'll go to the white arrow on the right side and set the value to 202. Check out the difference it made in the photo, guys. I'll click OK. And look at the jagged edges, guys. They disappeared. The photo looks much better. Oh, I almost forgot one detail, guys. I just need to apply the changes here, okay? Right click and select Apply Layer Mask. I nearly forgot that step. Alright, that was done quickly. But that's it guys, no fuss. If the video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to show your support. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to write them down below. Thanks. I'll wrap it up here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.